A few weeks ago, I bought this thing, a 4,1 Mac Pro. We're gonna be cleaning it out because it's very dusty. Okay, so now it's cleaned off and sanitary. We're gonna take a solid minute to admire the craftsmanship of this block of aluminum. Anyways, this was a fun project for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, maybe subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, because there will be more of it, including flashing the BIOS from a 4,1 Mac Pro to a 5,1, upgrades like putting in the max CPU because it's only like 20 bucks, putting in max RAM, putting in a better graphics card. So subscribe to see all those things. See ya in the next video. We're gonna be cleaning it out.